Hello, welcome to today's lecture. It's been a long time on this channel. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu kwanụ ụmụnne m? Kedu ogini na-eme? What is happening? Ogini na-afịọ? How you dey now? Make I speak pidgin for una. How you dey? How you dey? Kewe ogini do na-eme? Nnọọ na nkụzi anyị nke taa. Welcome to our today's teaching. It's been a long time and hope you are good. Mụ onwe m dị mma. So today we'll be looking at Igbo words that have B, that start with B. No, it's not starting, doesn't necessarily have to start, but have the B sound in it or the alphabet B in it. We'll be looking at so many of them. So stay tuned and enjoy this awesome video I made just for you. Remember on this channel, we like, we subscribe, and we comment. Most importantly, comment. Oh, if you don't know what to comment, put love emoji. Stella, comment. Nneka, comment. Chidinma, comment. Mayowa, drop your comment. Oh, ka anyị bido. Our number one word for today is a popular one. I know you already know, which is bia. Bia, 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 come. Bia, 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 come. Nneka, bia, Nneka, come. Nneka, bia, Nneka, come. Chidinma, bia, come. Number two is ube. Ube, pear. Pear, those small one is called ube. Ube, ube, ube. Ube is pear. Number three is ubu, and that is shoulder. Ubu, shoulder. Ubu, 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 ubu is shoulder. Number four is oboro, and that is your brain. Oboro, brain. Oboro, 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 brain. So maybe we add isi to it. Oboro isi. Isi is head. Isi is head. So when you say oboro isi, it's the same thing. Oboro, brain. Oboro, oboro. Number four, oba, wealth. Oba, oba, oba. Maybe you would have come across people bearing this name Oba. Oba means wealth, and it can also mean something being in surplus. Let's say human beings. Maybe some people have multitudes. Something multiplying speedily. Being in abundance. That's abundance. So that's why I say wealth. I didn't say riches, because I still am not a better word for riches. So this is wealth. Now this is riches multiplied. So oba is wealth. Oba, oba, oba. Number five, obi, obi. Obi is what some part of Igbo land call their king. You can see Obi of Ozobel, Obi of Onitsha, Obi of so place. So it's the title given to the king or the ruler of a particular community. Obi, mind you, not every king of every community in Igbo land is called Obi. Some people call theirs Obi. Okay? Obi. Some people will say Eze. Obi. Now, Obi can also be a palace where the king meets. Kaijen Obi. Kaijen Obi Eze. Let's go to Eze's palace. King's palace. Then Obi is also a special hut or a special house built away from the main house in a compound. Now, those days, in the olden days, our forefathers in Igbo land will always have Obi. Some dialects will say Ovi, some will say Ovu, some will say Obu for what I'm telling you now. So some dialects will come, the major is Obi, but you hear Obu, Ovi, Ovu. Now, this is a house that is built away from the main house in a compound. That house belongs to the head of the family, which is the man of the house. And that's where he receives visitors. In other words, they will receive visitors. There is this nzu, this white chalk, what they call it, coloring or what. They always draw a line. I don't know the prayer they do. That's where his ofo is. That is something that our forefathers those days hold. You can still find it in Igbo land. It's called ofo. For Ikenga. That's where he keeps it. So that place is just for the head of the family. And that's where important meetings are held pertaining that family. And that's where he receives visitors. And that place is called Obi. Obi. Don't mistake it. So this is Obi. So Obi could mean up to 3 things in Igbo land. Let's go. Number 6 is Obi. Obi. Please don't mistake it with Obi. Obi. Up. The previous one that I said is palace, king, dedicated place is Obi. Up. This number 6 is Obi. Up, down. Obi. Your Obi is either your chest or your heart. So your chest could be your Obi. Your heart is also your Obi. That's your heart is Obi, chest is Obi in Igbo. So heart, chest is Obi. Hope is clear. Obi. Obi. Again, O. Our number 7 is Oba. Oba. Oba is ban. So if I add G to it, it becomes Obaji. Obaji. And that becomes Yam ban. G-J-I, spelled as G-E-G-E, is Yam in Igbo. G-E, Yam in Igbo. So if I add G to this Oba, it becomes Obaji. And that becomes Yam ban. So Oba is ban. Oba. Oba. So you know what a yam ban is now, where you keep yam. That is how they stack it those days. You can Google it and turn on images. You see yam stacked, how it's been stacked. Okay, that is called Obaji. Obaji. That's a yam ban. Let's continue. Number 8. Obe. Obe. Obe is cross. That's cross, being crucified on the cross. Is also ladder. Ladder. Most Igbos will also call ladder Obe. 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 Cross. Ladder. Obe. 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 Number 9 is Mbe. Mbe. Mbe is tortoise. 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 Mbe. 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 Number 10. Mba. Mba. Mba is no. Mba, no. No is mba. No is mba. 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 11. Ebube. Glory. Ebube. Glory. Glory is ebube. 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 So this is where we'll be ending today's class. If you enjoyed it, Tell me in the comment section. It does not take anything from you for saying Ozioma, keep it up. Ozioma Jisike, Ozioma email, Ozioma Dal. Doesn't take anything from you. So comment, like, and share. And meanwhile, I'm open for one-on-one Igbo class and group class. Check comment section for details.